Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome my lovely students. Today inshallah we're gonna make a rainbow star. Rainbow star, like drawing this star. Okay, so let's start. I just add the ladybug. Go to choose a spirit. Go animals and you will find the ladybug. Scroll down, scroll down. This is ladybug number 1. I already added. I chose the spirit, which is ladybug. Go events when the green flag clicked, and we are following the instructions on page 63. I need to add the pen so I may be able to draw. Go add extension. This is the pen. Help us to draw with our spirit. Add the pen blocks. Clear the screen when the green flag clicked. Erase all. And then bend down. And then go bend down. So Ben gonna start drawing. And then set pen color to 0. Set pen color to 0. Make this one 0. A higher grade for quickly. Do those 4 commands or 4 blocks when the green flag clicked. Clear the screen if there is a previous drawing gonna be cleared. Bend down and set pen color to 0. Make sure you do this a grade 4 quickly. Set pen color to 0. You have to open your camera grade 4. Ziad Yusuf. Yes, ya Fatima, how can I help you? Munib, Muhammad, Lama, Khalid, quickly grade 4. Fatima, cameras on please, grade 4, quickly, quickly. Cameras on, mics off. A higher grade 4. Do this command. The link in the chat, of course. The link in the chat, and also I will send the link in Telegram. I already sent it. Link in Telegram and link in the chat also. Now I need to continue. I need to add a loop, which is repeat function. Go to control, go to repeat. Not forever, repeat grade 4. Repeat blocks. Let me zoom in so I may be able to read it. What is going to be repeated in this loop? Repeat function, move 150 steps. So go back to motion, move. Oh, sorry. You have to drag and drop it up. Move 100 steps. 10 steps. So just click, write 100. Use the keyboard, write 100. Move 100. Oh, 150. 150. 150 steps. And then turn 190 degree. Turn to the right. As you can see, there is a turn to the right and there is a turn to the left. So be careful. Turn to the right and make it 190. 190. So when I click on the green flag, it's going to be move 150 steps, turn 190 degree. Let me try it. As you can see, but it's not finished. So clear all. Okay. So I have to finish the command. I want to change the band color. Change the band color by 10. Change band color. Go back to band. Change band color. Okay. Change band color by
I
10.
do 150 steps.
Okay, but you have to change the repeat number. Make it 100. Instead of repeat it 10 times, make it like repeated 100. So do it. As you can see, it's unstoppable. It's not going to be stopped unless it finish 100 turns, like repeated 100 times. So we did it. A high grade for quickly. Show me your work in Telegram. I'm waiting for you. I'm going to stop.